Hey there, fellow tech explorers. Get ready to take a deep dive into the world of SIM cards. We're going to uncover how they actually work, how they're made, explore different types, and peek into their exciting future within the Internet of Things. Let's jump right in. History of SIM cards. Our journey begins back in the 1990s, a time when mobile communication was just starting to take off. That's when the Subscriber Identity Module, or SIM card, made its debut. Think of SIM cards like mini IDs for your phone. They've evolved from chunky standard ones to the tiny nano SIMs we use today, all while becoming even smarter. The intricate mechanism. Let's open up the hood and see how these little cards actually make your phone work. A SIM card is like a personal translator for your phone. It's got a small computer inside that can talk to cell towers and other phones. When you make a call or send a message, your phone creates a secret code. The SIM card adds a special lock to this code to keep it safe while it travels. This coded message zooms through the airwaves to a nearby cell tower. Think of the tower as a post office for phones. It collects messages and delivers them. The tower needs a special key to unlock the code. Your SIM card provides this key, the tower opens the lock, and the message gets sent to your friend's phone. The recipient's SIM card knows how to read the message, so it unlocks it and shows it to your friend. It's like solving a puzzle to read a secret message. Manufacturing process. Now, let's uncover the magic that goes into making these tiny communication wizards. Crafting a SIM card is kind of like putting together a puzzle. First, we make the tiny computer chip, the brain of the SIM card. This chip is like the conductor of a symphony. Next, we add golden connectors to the card. These connectors are like the bridge that helps the SIM card talk to your phone. Then, we give the card its unique identity, just like a name tag. Finally, these little cards are carefully packed up and sent on their way to help people connect all around the world. Types and beyond. There's more to SIM cards than meets the eye. We've seen how SIM cards have evolved from big to small. But there's an exciting twist, eSIM. Instead of a physical card, your phone can have a virtual SIM built right in. Glimpse into the future. What's in store for SIM cards in our high-tech future? Imagine a world where everything around you can talk to each other. This is the Internet of Things, and SIM cards will play a big role in making it happen. Picture SIM cards that can switch between networks automatically, keeping you connected wherever you go. Envision SIM cards that learn and adapt to new technologies, making sure you're always online, no matter what. And that's the story of SIM cards, from their beginnings to their promising future. They might be small, but they're the unsung heroes that keep us all connected in this high-tech world. So, as we continue to explore the ever-changing landscape of technology, let's give a nod to these little communication wizards that make it all possible. That wraps up our journey through SIM card secrets. Stay curious, stay connected, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of tech. If you enjoyed unveiling the mysteries of SIM cards, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell for more exciting tech adventures.